Now, the movie Avatar, it's a wonderful story. I advise all Christians not to go see it because it will destroy the stupidity of Christianity and the stupidity of the Muslim world as well. Basically, it's a story that I've been trying to tell you for the last 20 or so years, is that the mother is the earth, and all living things have a soul, whether it be a tree or a plankton. It's driven by the life force that comes from the mother that was granted to, in the creation process, to the earth itself. And now, if we look at the DNA that's in all things, it ceases to function immediately when the soul of that life form leaves. It goes to the other realm, so to speak. And then you reincarnate. Everyone reincarnates. The soul is, of course, immortal. That's what keeps life going. Creatures that die out, that's because the soul is no longer part of the equation. So don't worry about creatures dying off the planet. There's more being replenished all the time. And it's part of the natural function of the earth to keep in check the life forces of animals, to maintain the earth. And the earth will look after you, providing you look after it. So the scene is set at the 30th of May, in the year 2154, and you'll find that the Julian day and the date and lunations have all got something to do with the divine inspiration in this movie. For example, the date at midnight on the 11th of May 2154 is lunation 2861, and that, of course, is the male, the father, the espousal that is found in the displacement factor of the Great Pyramid, which is intrinsic to the pyramid itself, in the base that has been reduced to from 36524.24 by 286.1, and both numbers reveal the espousal word in Hebrew, and the espousal male is the 2861 number. So I've put together quite a bit of information, and it, as usual, has to jump around quite a bit. But if you watch through it and the key points that you want to remember or recall, write down the number in time that is on the video, and you can go back to it. I have been advised by a lot of people that watch my videos that this, when they want to study something, a lot of it they already know, because I've got 350 or so videos up there now. But for the newcomer that hasn't the patience or the time or the common sense to watch all my videos, it is best to talk to others. And the date that's coming up shortly will be the fulfillment of the base measure prophecy. And what happens is this: the pyramid was laid out 36524.24 inches, which is 100 years, when one pyramid inch equals a day, reduced by 286.1. So therefore that gives you two dates of time, because you have two diagonals. The diagonal of the Great Pyramid in feet, meaning modern time, there's two types of feet. There's the pyramid foot, and then there's the modern foot. So when it's referred to as a pyramid foot, it is ancient, whereas the British feet is modern. The difference in size is 1.00106 inches, British equaling one pyramid inch. The pyramid inch itself is determined by dividing the Earth by 500 million, when it was the original size of 25 million. I'm just getting interrupted there. 25,000 miles around. The 25 number in years is the width of the pyramid in its fullness. Now, what I'm getting at here is the date is determined by the diameter or the distance across, which you can calculate by using the square root formulas, of each side being 25 years or 9131.06. Now, what you do is you take the 9131.06 times itself, times 2, divide by square root of it, and that'll give you the diagonal, divide by 12, multiply by 1.06, that's a bit complex, and that gives you the distance in feet, which is the lunation in modern time. Okay. Simplify. 1077.26 feet of the completed pyramid gives you lunation